Okay guys, today I'm going to show you what's in our new kit for this month and how to make it. We are going to be doing a spooky skeleton dig, and I'm really excited. So you're going to take your coffin, open it up, you'll have your skeleton in there, and then you're going to disassemble the skeleton. And these pop in and out of the socket, so and this is actually really good for teaching parts of the body too, which is fun. Okay, so we have our skeleton pieces, and then I'm gonna just place the pieces, throughout here, and then we're going to add some sand. You can just it's a snake. And then you can even put real dirt on it too if you want. And then you're going to give them a duster. And also you can give them a pair of tweezers to extract. So, like this. And then they can use this to dig up the pieces. That. Cool, right? Ta-da! Enjoy! Okay, so then you just start excavating. And when you have all the pieces, you'll take them out, brush them off. And you can even review the parts that you're taking out with the kids as well. And you know, their purpose. And then you can also even explain the animals in there. Snake, spider, cockroach, fly, and if you want to do even more, you can have them tell you the colors of each thing. And that's it, friends. So when you're done, you can actually put this back together. Let's see here. And they can learn about the parts of the body that they're putting back together. Once you have assembled your skeleton again, if you want to, and you pour out the sand, what's really cool is you get to see what the skeleton looked like before he died. Look at that! That's what he looked like before he was a skeleton. Good night.